Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial, we will be working on a commission piece, a lovely pine table. Our customer has requested for the table to be painted in yellow and orange, but to leave some wood revealed. We decided to leave the top unpainted to match with her chairs.
So we thought an ombre effect will look really good on this table. And going from Colonel Mustard to Florida Orange and fading into terracotta. And we will also add the little stencil. And yeah, let's get into it.
Let's do it!
Let's do it!
We started by sanding off the top, which it had a few scratches and marker marks, so we had to sand it first with 80 grit so we get rid of those big marks, and then with 220 to smooth it out. Afterwards, I cleaned the table well with white lightening, Dixie Belle furniture cleaner, and rub it well all the dirt away. Then I rinse it twice with water to get rid of the solution and any dirt. The next step is applying Slick Stick, which helps the paint to bond to the shiny surfaces. We applied 2 coats of Slick Stick and we let it dry for 24 hours. Now it's time for our first coat with terracotta. I picked up some paint and just dabbed it on the piece to create a soft texture. We started with Colonel Mustard, love this color. We used side motions, then we dabbed it, and then side motions again to create different texture.
So 3 colors, 3 brushes, plus 2 other clean brushes for blending. We use the synthetic brushes from Dixie Belle and they are amazing for blending.
And once we were done with it, we applied Florida Orange to the bottom of the leg, where we will do another little blending with terracotta in a second.
We painted the base with terracotta, and with the leftover paint we had on the brush, we applied it around the Florida orange. And then, with a clean brush, I just blended them using curved strokes to go with the circular shape.
We struggled a bit with the silkscreen stencil on the leg as it was curvy, but we eventually did it, together with some hand painting. We applied it with a sponge, but just make sure to pick up a small amount of paint so it doesn't go underneath the stencil's edges. We sealed the top with gator hide in 3 layers, letting it dry for about 2 hours in between the coats. And this is the final result.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial or it inspired you in any way. And if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more furniture tutorials. See you next time. Bye!